Hello to everybody who's watching this video again. So over here they give us an very measurement to do the graphing style. And from what I'm seeing, vector A seems to have go right 2 and 3 towards the right. So if you try to make a right triangle with this, it's going to be square root of 2, which is 4, and square root of 3, which is 9. And we get 13. Square root of 13 is the magnitude of vector A. Vector B has 5 down, so 5 square, 25, and 1 square, which is 1, 26, and then the magnitude of B is square root of 26. We have vector C, which is 9 plus 9, which is going to be 18, because we have 3 over here, and 3 on the other side, to give us 9 plus 9 equals 18. Square root of 18 will be the magnitude of C. Now, we're supposed to find out the dot product of square root of 13, vector A and vector B adding each other, and then dot product of that with vector A plus vector C. So you're going to have square root of 13 plus square root of 26 that we have over here, and then square root of 13 plus square root of 18. If you can add vectors and get the dot product, then we can add the middle angle, because since I see from the look of it, vector A and vector C seem to be 190 degrees, 180. And then we have 10, that seems to be 10 degrees angle between vector B and vector C. And then vector A and vector B seems to be 100, because if you have 190 plus 10, which is 200, minus the 360 that we have, actually that's 160 degrees, which I made a mistake. So if you have 160, then 6 plus 9 will be it's 300 though. 6 plus 9 will be 15. You got 350, so I made a mistake on that one. We are going to have a 350, so you're going to add the vectors to get 7.8 if you do square root of that too, and then 8.7 and 7.8, because 7.8 is going to be addition of this, and 8.7 is going to be addition of 13 and 26. So you're going to multiply that by cosine of 350, which is a mistake over there. So let me get that again. You're going to have 8.7 times 7.8 times cosine of 350. And we're going to have that on degrees, which is going to be not the answer that I got, but it's going to be 66.83. If you're going to do it in degrees, it's going to be 67. So that's how we get the dot product for that. It's very easy. We're just going to add the magnitude. We're going to find the magnitudes, and then we can add. If you add the magnitudes, we can add the degrees between them. And we can find out from the look of it. Now, there are times that professors want to ask trick questions, but my professor doesn't want to. Which, thank you very much, Dr. Lane. But here's going to be a question. If it's not a trick question, by the look of it, you have to find out that the angles are like that. If they don't give you the angles, and then you're gonna just plug everything in and get the answer. I get 66.83 or 67, because I think I have to add those two over here, A and B and A and C, to get towards that number that I want, which is 67 degrees. Radians might be a little bit something else. If I do radians, might come out something like, give me one moment over here. I'm gonna give us like negative 19. Okay, actually that part has to be negative, because that is up to, so I'm wrong. Negative 19.25. That's gonna be the answer. Negative 19.25. Show you our dot product. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. You gotta have it on radians, so you can have negative, positive, and 0. So hopefully.